Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
हेलो। हेलो।
हाँ अमरजीत बोलो।
कैसा है अभिषेक?
ठीक है बाबा, बताओ अपना।
बस जी रहे बाबा लॉकडाउन में।
अरे हम लोग का कोई क्लास होने वाला है क्या अभी?
Hello, Abhishek or Amarjeet. This is not the
यस
platform to talk like that. Okay, we are in the class.
यस सर।
So good morning, all of you. This is
मॉर्निंग
गुड
सर।
मॉर्निंग सर।
good morning.
Good morning, sir.
This is Kundan Kumar from EC department, faculty of EC department. So I will take the subject electronics and measurement, or electronics and instrumentation measurement. Okay. Who is the CR of mechanical engineering?
Anurup sir.
He is present. He is present in the class.
No sir, not yet.
Or civil engineering. Civil engineering, CR. This is combined
We
class.
don't know about that sir.
No, actually.
Sir, Sudhanshu Ranjan.
Okay, Sudhanshu Ranjan is present.
Yes, sir, he is in the class.
Sudhanshu.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. You are joining with the mobile.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So your task would be you take the screenshot of the attendance and send it to me in WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So physically we haven't met, and due to pandemic we are again in the online mode. Okay. So I hope you are doing good at your home. And utilize your time to learn something new, to do something new. Okay. You're doing class, it's fine, okay, but at the same time, for your career, you can learn something different also. Okay. So this is a subject called electronics and instrumentation engineering. Okay. The subject code is EC404. पता है ना सबको?
Yes sir.
So this is a first class. So we'll discuss about the subject and some books. Then we will go through the syllabus, and then how this subject is going to be evaluated. So we'll discuss today. Next class afterwards we'll come to the topics. Okay. This is basically belongs to electrical and electronics, or you can say somewhat in computer science also. But this curriculum is included in your branch because of everything is now become having some electronics chips, and uh, in mechanical also, in mechanical labs also we have some electronics, and we have some instrumentation also to measure something. Okay. So some basic ideas would be there if you are engineer. So at the last you must know at least what is diode, what is transistors, what are the sensors are there to measure some physical quantity. Okay. So this subject is also important for your uh, engineering point of view. So we'll go for this course. Okay.
Yes sir.
So this is the course objective of your subject. Okay. Right. The answer is right. All students are requested to add their branch name also along with your name, because this is the combined class. In this class, civil as well as mechanical students will join. Okay, so it is better to write your name with your branch. Suppose you are Sudhanshu Ranjan, then in the bracket you can write civil engineering. At the same, Rahul. बोलो. Rahul Oran, raise hand. No, we don't want to click. Okay. So this is the course objective of the subject. Okay. The objective is to get fundamental knowledge about active and passive element and measuring instrument. So what this is mean? There are two type of elements present in the electronic. They have categorized it. Okay, active one and passive. So we'll get
नब्बे का बोला
knowledge
था
about
174 रुपए किलो
active and passive.
77 रुपए किलो
Who is there?
90 रुपए बिका है सही कह रहे नहीं तो हम गए थे ना हम पता करके 174 रुपए किलो
Chandan Kumar, Rajak.
कितना दीजिएगा
Chandan,
पैसा समझा बात ये है कि पैसा है नहीं दे देंगे तो फिर घर
Chandan,
समझ रहे
okay. So we'll have some fundamental knowledge about active and passive elements. Okay, and some measuring instrument we'll see. Second one is right. We'll have the working knowledge of diode, transistor, then types of diode, transistor, modes of operation, and how we are biasing it. Okay. The third one is the we have to have the concept of binary system. Okay, and using that one we'll go the further combinational circuit and sequential circuit. Okay, it's come in digital electronics. Okay, then we'll go and learn about different type of sensors for measuring temperature, for measuring stress, for measuring some physical quantity, and how it is going to be measured using some sensors. Okay, and then finally last we have the communication systems. So what are the block diagram of communication systems? We'll see, and then we'll see a type of communication system. You must have heard about AM, FM. Okay, FM radio, I think all of you know. So it is a part of communication system. So we'll go with that also. Okay. So these are the course objective of the subject. Okay. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Someone is raised hand. Rahul Oran. You can ask. You don't want. And this is the course outcome of the subject. Okay. Means if we complete this course fully, then you must know these 5 things, 5 we have categorized this. Actually, you know, our college has applied the NBA. NBA, you know, National Board of Accreditation. It is an independent body to give accreditation to the colleges, depending upon their performance in various parameters. Okay, so basically they believe in outcome based education. So whenever a subject or a course is there, there must be the measurement of that course or the subject should be in the form of outcome based. Means what student have to learn, and then finally they will do the analysis of result, and obviously the final is campusing. Okay, so for this subject we have categorized a 5 course out. Okay, the first one is develop fundamental concept of active and passive component and measuring instruments, and then what is IC and like that. Okay, so you must, after completing this, you must develop a fundamental concept of on active and passive component. Means what are the active ones and what are the passive ones in electronics. Okay, then second one is to get the basic knowledge of semiconductor materials and its physics. We have all know in the 10th and 12th class what is the semiconductor. Okay, we have 3 types of material, you know: insulator, conductor, and semiconductor. So what are the materials and how it's behaving? What is the physics behind it? Okay, then different type of junction diode and its application. Okay, you must know after completing this. Okay, third one is to get basic learning on the transistor. Okay, there are types of transistor like JFET, MOSFET. तो कैसे ये काम करता है, कैसे ये बना हुआ है, क्या क्या है, फिर बायसिंग मोड. Okay, fourth one is acquire basic knowledge of combinational and sequential. You must have the knowledge of what is combinational and what is sequential circuit. In combinational circuits, there are so many circuits are there to learn. In sequential circuits also, okay, there are so many things to learn. Fifth one is to have the knowledge of working of sensors and communication. Okay, there are so many sensors as we discussed earlier also. So many sensors are there. Okay, and we'll go one by one, and at the last we'll go for the communication system block diagram, then types of communication system like AMF. Okay, advantages, disadvantage of AMF, like that you have to learn. Okay, so basically I will try to complete this subject in 50 lectures. Actually this is very lengthy because everything is included in this paper. I think this paper should divide it into 2 subjects, but they have included all the things in single one. Okay, then we'll try to complete it. So this is the syllabus. I think all of you have the syllabus.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in module 1, the basic electronics component. Okay, so you can see active and passive components, then types of resistor and color coding, capacitor, inductor you have to read. Who is making noise? In model second, we'll go for the semiconductors, diode and transistors. Okay. In this module 2, will take 15 lectures to complete. We'll try to complete it within a proposed time span, but if it will take extra, then we'll go for the extra class also. Okay. Third one is from digital electronics fundamental, like difference between analog and digital signals, like that. This course handout will be updated in the Google Class. Don't worry, Gautam. Okay. Then electronic instruments. Okay. In the third model, we'll go for the digital electronics fundamental. Okay. Like difference between analog and digital, then Boolean algebra, some basics. Mathematics is there. Okay. Then we'll go for the sequential and combinational circuits. Okay. Just have an idea. Don't we have to don't go into the deep things like electronics and electrical guys will go. Okay. We'll just see what are these things and what is the input and what is the output we can get. In fourth model, we'll go for electronics instruments. Okay. Like sensors basically. Okay. How you can measure temperature, what are the sensors are there to measure the temperature. Then how we can measure the strain. Okay. And how we can measure the speed of motor or anything. Like how you can measure the pressure, torque, flow, speed. Then some measuring instrument we can see how it is working, like digital voltmeter, CRO. Okay. Measurement of resistance, inductance, capacitance, like that. And in last, you can see about electronics communication system, the elements of communication system. Okay. Then AM, FM, block diagram of GSM system. Okay. These are the books. Okay. Because the syllabus is huge. So in one book, we can't get everything. Okay. So model by model, we can change or we have to see different books. We have to go to the reference book. So I will try to give you the content or material on the Google Classroom. So you can refer that way. Okay. And also you can take the reference from this book. If we go online platform, okay, NPTEL, then these are the links for the course. Okay. For some topics, you can go with the different courses. Okay. In this course, we are not having any lab, but we will try to do some 1 or 2 labs also, practical in the simulation mode after completing some portion of the syllabus. Okay. And this is the evaluation scheme for this subject. Okay. So there will be, we have 5 model. So at least 5 quiz test is there. Okay. After completing or finishing each model, we'll have quiz test. Okay. On Saturday. Okay. And we have the we have 2 mid-sem, you know. Okay, best of 2. I will take, or I think it will be conducted in June first week or second week, maybe. Okay. Second mid-sem in August. Okay. So it will consist of weightage of 20%. Means 20 marks. Okay. This test will have 20 marks. And quiz is for 5 marks. Okay. Attendance plus assignment will consist of 5 marks. And in semester examination will consist of 70. So total is 100. Okay. So this is very, very important. Attendance and assignment plus quiz test. Yes, 10 marks is very, very important for you. Making your score up. Okay. Because if you do the classes in continuous mode, the things will be easier for your final examination. Okay, so this course handout I will upload. I will going to update in the Google Drive. Don't worry about that. So till now, any doubt? Any doubt?
What are those NPTEL links about?
हाँ बाबू क्या बोले?
NPTEL लिंक से किस चीज के लिए है?
कौन सा नोट्स?
NPTEL जो लिंक्स आप दिया हुआ है सिलेबस में, वो किस चीज के लिए सर? वो सब में यही सब मॉड्यूल के बारे में दिया हुआ है क्या?
हाँ, you can refer that one, है ना? For the getting up, what I can say, getting up the some portion you will get from your syllabus. Okay, for referring. Some IITs will teach. Okay. For the suppose.
Sir, sometime before you just talked about NBA. I had heard, sir, previous year our college had got NBA visit. Then what happened?
So till now we haven't. We are waiting for the result.
Oh, and they didn't tell the final result.
Yeah. We are waiting.
Okay, sir.
We are very, very hopeful that our 3 branches will get the MBA.
Sir, which 3 branches, sir?
Mechanical, civil, and electronics.
Sir, approximately how much time they will get? They will.
No,
they will inform
I think
about
in
the
this month.
MBA.
In this month, it will come.
Sir, how was the performance at that time?
We did good.
It is possible to get MBA in our college.
Obviously.
Okay, sir.
See, anything is possible if we do in the right path. Okay. So, if you are focused, we are focused about study. So, don't you think that we will get it? If you do good, in your examination, in your career. So ultimately, your juniors is going to benefit it. You will be going to benefit if you do your portion. Your portion is what? To get, learn. Our portion is from our side is that you have to provide a good environment to study, good content to study, right?
Yes, sir.
And there is a process. Okay. If you do in a right way, in a right mm, motto, then obviously we can achieve anything in our life.
Sir,
Yes.
हाँ घुस रहा है
sir,
Tell me.
have you PDF of any reference book for the
Yeah,
electronics and instrumentation?
today I am going to upload 2 or 3 books, 4 books. Okay, in
Okay,
the
sir.
Google Drive and follow that one. Okay,
Okay, sir.
I will take the class on the PPT also. I will provide a PPT of first module also. Okay, after finishing the class, and there will be some assignments and quiz, multiple choice on the Google platform. We have been familiar with that. Okay, all of you. Quiz. I think you are giving some quiz test in the last semester also. है ना? Last semester भी quiz दे रहे थे ना?
क्विज तो सर नहीं दिया है, पर वही असाइनमेंट वगैरह मिलता था।
नो सर
Okay, this time we'll do the quiz. Okay, it will be multiple choice from what we completed. Okay. Whatever portion we will going to complete after the completing the model. Suppose the model 1 is basic electronics components. Okay, as soon as we'll finish this, we'll go for the quiz. It's very simple. Okay.
Yes, sir.
सर प्लीज अपलोड द गूगल इन द गूगल क्लासरूम सिलेबस आल्सो
I told you, I will upload everything what we will discuss here. This lecture also is going to be uploaded on the YouTube. Okay. And the content.
Sir, channel name.
Channel name. I will give the link on the Google. Okay. I haven't thought about
Okay,
the
sir.
name. So okay. So today is only the introductory class. So on the next class onwards, we'll start the first module, that is basic electronic components. Okay, we'll start with the active and passive components. Then we'll try to complete types of register and color coding also. Okay. थोड़ा बहुत 12th में आप पढ़े होगे, है ना? रजिस्टर किसको बोलते हैं, और रजिस्टर में आप देखे होगे ऑब्जर्व करके उसमें कुछ कलर्स रहते हैं, तो कलर्स की कोडिंग कैसे होती है, और विदाउट मल्टीमीटर हम लोग कैसे एक रेजिस्टेंस का वैल्यू मेजर कर सकते हैं. ओके. ठीक है? CR of mechanical engineering is available in the class.
No, sir.
Is not available. Please take the screenshot here of civil engineering. Please WhatsApp me. Okay. And also you can visit the online platform, circuittoday.com. Okay. So what is this? It's a website where you can explore. We go. I'm going there. I'm going there, so you can see what are the content present over there. Something. Okay, that's circuit.com. We have given the reference. Okay, so this will look like this. So there are so many things and so many projects are there. Okay, using some small component. So this will be useful if you learn something, and if you do your final year project, some electronic circuit will come. Okay, so if you perform your some mini projects or any, if you want to learn, so here you can go with that. Okay, there are so many projects are available. Just if you have some any interest, then you can learn from this website. Okay, just go and look what are the things available. Okay. Same kind of things will be for mechanical also, mechanical and civil also. You can search the some small projects what you can do with. Okay, so I prefer every time whenever I'm taking the class for any subject, I try to give them a project related to the subject. Okay, so at last I will also give some little small projects you can do online. Okay. I think less than 1